Hello, I am Megan,
I'm Emma.
and we go to Ball State University, which is in Muncie, Indiana.
This is our first vlog. We just wanted to, do something fun.
Yeah.
We have fun friends, so we figured you guys would like our fun friends.
So we're both from. Okay, wait. Let's start from how we met each other. Okay, so we did not know each other before school came. There was a Ball State 2021 Facebook page. And when
we're freshmen.
Yeah, we're freshmen. And when you were looking for a roommate, you can go to this Ball State page and say where you're from, your interests, and try and find someone you can room with. So I had been looking and I saw Emma on there, so I decided to DM her, and so we started talking back and forth. Yeah, we started talking back and forth, and then eventually we were okay, do you want a room? So that's how we got started.
I asked if she wanted. I have the messages. I asked if she wanted to room with me.
And so we're both from small towns, and here we are.
Yeah, we're
great
best friends now.
Great.
We really got the luck of the draw. Yeah, we have a lot, mostly guy friends. So
yeah,
and Maggie and Gads. So yeah, you guys will get to meet everybody. They're really awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And plus, we don't have glamorous lives. I mean, we're in Indiana, so we're not very glamorous.
Not
but
Cali.
It's just average life of a college student who hates the place they live in. Oh, I don't hate it.
Yeah, if you're just average Joes like us, if you're just an average teenager,
we're too poor to buy a good camera, so
this
is
it.
on our phones. What else? We obviously don't get ready at all for this stuff.
Yeah, not ready.
You're just gonna see a little bit of everything.
Yeah, you get to see all different parts of our life.
So we hope you enjoy it. Walking backwards to avoid the wind.
Hey guys, donate to a Patreon and GoFundMe. www.patreon.com/zfoodreviews.
I don't think it's an actual Patreon.
GoFundMe.
Hey, what's up, guys? Follow me on my link right here to my
Oh, it's so cool.
Bang! I had to censor myself out because they're trying to make money. Even though that's not the reason why you should be vlogging. You don't need to make money. You can do it for fun. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Hey, so I'm a cuss anyways. Right here. You bleep it.
We just wanted to introduce you guys to our editor. This is Maggie. Makes me feel like I'm in a newspaper. Alright, so you'll be seeing a lot of her. We spent a lot of time with Maggie. Damn it, I just ruined the whole clip.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
We can edit it. Because our editor.
Oh yeah, because of our editor. Yeah, okay. I will.
Good footage.
What are you getting?
Down in the dungeon. About to get some French fries.
We're getting the same thing.
French fries. Propel. No, not without Propel. They don't have strawberry kiwi.
Yeah, but you can get. I got berry.
Yeah. And a Reese's.
Not sponsored. Not sponsored though.
Not sponsored.
So Megan and I are eating, and she first dropped her chicken tenders in the middle of the dining hall. Nobody saw, so she threw them away and got new ones. And she just dropped them again when she was checking out, so she's going to get new ones. And it's so funny. Here she is.
Back with my third thing of chicken tenders.
We're just a little clumsy tonight.
Night out.
That's so aggressive. Night out.
Okay, y'all. This shirt. Guess where I bought it? Guess what? I didn't even buy it. She made it.
It was out of a men's t-shirt. I got it at a thrift store. So save yourself money, or make your own clothes.
Should we show them Emmy?
Yeah. We're just FaceTiming my friend from home, Emily Listenberger. She also, and Sherm. She also has a YouTube channel, Emily Listenberger. Check her out. She's vegan.
Support your fellow vegans.
I'm not. Okay, we are heading to dinner. It's Saturday night, like 6:30. We're meeting our friends there, Chris, Scott, and Griffin. We'll introduce you guys.
Once we get there.
So we're at dinner now at Neuer with the guys. Hi, this is Scott, Chris, Griffin. First time seeing Griffin on the vlog, and Scott, I think. Megan is right there.
Hello. How you guys doing? My name is This is my acquaintance, Angel. We're here today to talk about Emma and Megan, how they're doing a wonderful thing with this YouTube channel vlog thing. I've never seen anything like it. It's very original. It's very unique. It's just phenomenal. We got my friend Amanda over there. If you're asking where I'm from Peckham in South Wales, 514. Go to England, go to Peckham. That's where Jordan Boyega is at. That's where everyone else is at. That's where Tom Hiddleston's from. We're there. I just want to say, Megan, Emma, you're doing a phenomenal job for this YouTube. And I wish you the best of luck, alright? But also, follow me, bruv. Oh. Did they lose? I'm pretty sure she's a Steelers fan. Hey guys, we're here just, playing catch.
Okay, that was fake. Don't be fake. Just act like.
Motherfucker. Me being real is not gonna get you any subs.
Yes, it will.
Alright.
We want real you.
The real me?
Yeah. No fake.
This is me. This is me. This is exactly where I'm supposed to be. I'm a find the light. Shine on me. Yeah, I know who I am. There's no way to take me in. No more hiding.
It's not from.
This is me.
This is from.
Alright, so we don't really have anything else for the vlog.
Thank you for watching the video. And just continue to look out for us.
And you can probably tell we're in the same clothes as our intro because we just filmed it.
So just keep your eyes out for more.
See ya.
Bye.